Good morning, Chris here with OptionMillionaires.com with an analysis on Facebook this morning. So still, the stock hasn't been out too long, but I can still do a little bit of analysis on it. So in my analysis that I did back at the end of June, early July, I was saying we're sitting right at the 38.2 retracement. So if it can break through that, we should buy. And honestly, if it has not been able to break through it. It's actually been drifting down, and now it's actually forming, I believe I can see a pattern right here. And let me show you what it is. So if I zoom in here to like a 20-day chart, it's a little more clear now. Let's resize the graph a little bit. Draw a trend line from the top here across there. Now, once again, this is short term. It's short term and it's just forming right now, so it's still just a little bit sloppy. But you can see the outline of what looks like to be an ascending triangle. Oh wait, no, not ascending. That's when the top line's flat. So this is actually a descending triangle. So these patterns, like the idea is, if it breaks below the bottom bound, that's a sell signal. If it breaks above the top one, that's a buy signal. So with this one, I'm getting that it's roughly 65% of the time this will break down below the bottom bound, and about little over 55% of the time it'll hit its target if it breaks from the bottom side. If it breaks to the upside, that gives us a roughly 45% chance of it hitting its price target, and it gives us an 84% chance of hitting its price target, and it gives us 45% chance that's going to break out the upside at all. So odds are on the bears for this pattern. So to get our price target for this one, take the height of the pattern, project it from the expected breakout point. So take that, put it from there. And I think I'm going to need to resize my chart here. Alright, so a breakdown from this pattern would give us a target of just about 2750. So that also corresponds to an upside breakout. So if it breaks through the 3250 area, it'll give us a target of, let's see, this from here to here is 250, so it'll give us a target of roughly 35 bucks, maybe like 35.50. So it's a pretty nice pattern. Since Facebook is especially volatile, you're going to want to want to keep an eye on this, especially since it's volatile. That means it's going to do short-term moves pretty darn quickly. So if I go into some momentum studies, let's go with the RSI. Let's see how we're actually looking right now. Okay, so if I go up here, we see that we got an indicator pop right there, which that's good. And now we are sitting below the 50 level. So we're still in the bearish territory. You can also see, if I zoom in here a lot, you can also see that there's actually an ascending triangle in the indicator. So basically what I'm getting from this is that if the market goes up a little bit more, we're going to probably find some resistance around the like 31.44 level, and from that point you can sell. If not, then just delete everything, hang on. If that doesn't work, then you short sell at $30.50, or let's actually take a look at the implied volatility. Options on this stock might be over or underpriced. Okay, so implied volatility is consistently going down, so you know, I won't even take the chance. Go with debit or credit vertical spreads on this one, because I don't have enough data to actually predict whether volatility will go up or down, so might as well do something that's volatility neutral, like a debit spread. Alright, so that's how you trade the pattern. Put your stop loss somewhere within the pattern, and it should move pretty darn fast. So I'd say this trade would be finished in less than a week. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a good one.